Sorry if you start finding it. May not have to do anything.
Gotta make them believe it's time to go in.
They're already marching, Peggy.
They're taking to it, aren't they?
They're already marching. Look at that.
Well, we don't have to do nothing then. Yeah.
Where's my phone?
I don't know.
So
Right
what?
to the truck, right?
So what is it that's making them go in?
Check that out.
Go
It's
get
a
my
place
phone.
for him to go.
Go get my phone.
Well, there.
My phone and the second box.
And then how will you know if there's a queen there? Or is there pretty much guaranteed there's one?
Well, I can be looking in that right now and look for a queen, but I would give it about a week and check it and see if we got eggs, because there's already comb.
Okay.
14,000.
Really?
Yep. That's a little bit more than a package, and a package of bees is about 10,000. A package is 3 pounds,
Wow.
and that's how they sell bees. They sell them in packages where you get a box that's got screen on the outside and it's got a feeder on the inside, and
Give me a bigger opening. Well, if it gets overpopulated, that's mostly why they swarm.
when they start doing that, what
you
they
got
call
in the
that is
way.
the march. They start marching in, and it's
You look right in front of them.
That's pretty cool.
Too. Not even hearing a word I say. I said you moved right in front of me. He's
Oh,
trying to film too.
I don't. I've got it zoomed in.
guys, get with the program and go inside. Don't be.
Flying around, huh?
Look at this.
They were making wax.
Yeah.
They've been here a while.
I don't have a queen on here, do I?
That's what I was wondering. Is she on there somewhere?
No.
You might be watching your face there. They might get a little irritated at you. Make sure there's nothing in around behind the wax. I don't know. I've ever seen them making wax when they've been swarmed.
It's wax. They
Okay.
were making
Fly
wax.
around my hair. You
And
get
is that the
stuck in it, you get
precursor
mad.
to honey?
Yeah, that's all the comb that's on those frames. They place that on there.
Oh.
Now, guys, inside, not on the outside, on the inside. Honey, and they make propolis. Propolis is what they use to glue things together. They use it to
That's
cover
understandable.
openings, you know, and that's why you got to have a hive tool to get it apart. You got to pry the propolis off.
Oh.
And
So the honey's what they feed on.
mhm.
The wax is.
Yeah.
What they
What's
store
it?
the honey in.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, there's some more wax right there.
Oh yeah, yeah, I see it. Right there.
Find the queen. That's what I
I
was
see a
looking at.
drone right there.
Well, you're right. I haven't been stung there.
I'm gonna go ahead and close up this top all the way. I mean, they're kind of coming, they're kind of going. I mean, they would have had to be here quite some time to build that much wax, you would think. Kind of look like we're gonna set up housekeeping here.
To where it's noticeable when you see her. But
It's got an
looking,
elongated, pointed abdomen.
yeah. Her abdomen is a little bit longer, and she is bigger around.
So are all the other ones males then? And the
No,
queen-
they're all females.
Oh, really?
They're all the workers are females. The queen is a female that's just been treated different when she was after she was born. She is fed royal jelly, and it makes her grow bigger
Okay.
and makes her fertile.
Boy, that's interesting.
And the only males are drones, and they'll lay drones this time of year, and kind of off and on again throughout the summer.
Mm-hmm.
But believe it or not, in the fall when they're getting ready for winter, they get kicked out of the hive and they all die. Every single one of them.
You didn't
That's-
work for your
that's
teeth,
not-
you don't get to eat this winter.
That's not nice.
That ain't nice, no.
Well, I just knock all of them off.
Lovely.
Now you got it up under the hive. There you go. Oops. I heard some cracks. I think you just smashed the bee. Yeah. Maybe get them all stirred up, maybe they'll go in. Or get them all stirred up, maybe we'll get mad.
No, these bees are not mad at all. Here you got some bees there with their rear ends. They're turned backwards. You got their rear ends up in the air, and their wings are fluttering. They're letting all the other bees know this is where to go. This is the place to go.
Yeah, I see that.
Maybe the guys are just didn't get the memo.
I know. Always has to be somebody.
Yeah, I tipped it up. It's more whack though. Maybe this water. Pick them up with the bullets. I can't believe they built that much wax. So. That's weird. They're building it everywhere. Let me put my gloves on and see if I can move them.
There's wax all over all these damn leaves.
Yeah, I know. And look at that.
I'm shaking them, and what I'm doing is basically getting
Getting
them
them to fly,
airborne.
trying to get them to move, yeah. Oh. Down under it. Holding under it.
If there was a queen in there, you'd see all these bees back over.
Yeah. They're starting to go down now, not quite so many on front. You guys go ahead and stay in there. Get inside.
bites you like hundreds at a time. I mean, coming at you and hitting.
And trying to sting?
Yes. Oh yeah. And this is even when wearing everything I've got, they would find openings, and I'd get stung 6 or 8 times. And but to kill them, a gallon of water with Dawn dishwashing.
That'll get them, huh?
That kills them because they breathe through their skin, and that's a surfactant, and it gets in and it coats everything, and it just suffocates them.
Some guys put that in with their spray for surfactant for
Yes.
Roundup and stuff.
Yeah, because it makes it cling to the plant. Yeah. Exactly.